everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1974 Plymouth Cuda. Pretty car, guys. This has got 5 miles on a Rotisserie Restoration, just completed. Guy that restored this, this probably the, I don't know, 7th, 8th car I bought from him over the years. Retired body man that this is kind of what he likes to do. He'll play with the car, it takes him about a year to get it done, and then he sells it to me. Great guy, Mark. He's out of Ohio. Mopar guy. And pretty car, man. It's finished in rally red. This is not the original color. It's got black vinyl interior on it. You can see he's got the 70 440 hockey stripe. He's got it trimmed out as a Cuda. It's a Barracuda. Very nicely done, guys. It's body color underneath. You can literally take it to a car show and put mirrors underneath it. When you see the pictures, it's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. It's got a 71 HP 440 with a 44 purple cam on it, so it's got a nasty sound. New bumpers. Of course, you can see it's got the sport hood, the dual chrome mirrors. Nice car. Looks like it's got the original grille still in it. Again, new bumpers. Slick car. Trying to pick the trim around there. Looks like new chrome mirrors. Like I say, he does it. He does all this work himself. He's a car guy. He's a Mopar man, and does a nice job. And God, I've known him for about 12 years now. Looks like it's got the original tail lights, and we kind of pick at those a little bit. Said he put new quarters on it. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. 15-inch rallies on it. It's got all new Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Those are 15-inch rallies. You can see it's got the Cuda rear valence with the chrome tips. It's got great sound. Good looking car. You can see it's all body color underneath and everything. Disc brakes on the front. Again, not the original engine. It's got a 71 HP 440 engine in it. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifold. It's got aluminum radiator with a flex fan. Nasty little purple 44 camshaft in it. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with the 3000 stall converter. Does have electronic ignition. Here's your original fender tag. Car is not original though. In effect, it's got the new trim in there. It's popped out of there. Yeah, we'll probably get Eddie to pop that back in. It just clips on the bottom. That's one thing I will tell you guys. There is no miles on this car. I mean, it really has like 5 miles on it. Other than a couple of test miles, it's your original door tag. There's going to be some shakedown on this car. Normally, he puts all new interior in them. Couldn't get it. Legendary, I think they told him it was 18 weeks to get it. So he actually bought this interior, I think he said from a buddy of his. Bucket seats, center console, it's got the factory dash. Let's see if I can get actually, yeah. Got lucky. Put a new headliner in it. Showing 12,228. Again, that's probably 112. It does have the factory AM/FM radio. I don't think that's working. Speedo worked. Fuel gauge and I think the alt gauge are up there that work. And then your temp and oil is down there. Brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Got great sound to it. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear end. Oops, sorry. I'll show you that now. It's just a water mount coming out of there. Again, all fresh and body color in here. There's some receipts there. I know the engine's there. Some miscellaneous receipts he had. And then look at this thing underneath. Just as pretty as can be. As always, there's always photos of the underneath of the car on the website. Door seams are nice and clean. Can't pop it, sorry. You'll like the way this thing sounds, man. It sounds good. Nasty little cam to it. It rocks. Again, fuel gauge works, alternator gauge works up there, everything else is down there. So it's holding, what, 80 pounds of oil pressure over there. I don't think the radio works. And I think if I remember, I think he said he did not hook the heater up. I don't think the radio worked. Wipers are functional. There. Oh shoot, hold on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.